What's up, guys? Josh, Navigate the Wild. Good morning. Today's a big day. Today we're gonna go build a ladder stand. So my father-in-law is coming into town, bringing all his tools, and me, my mother-in-law, my hunting buddy, my wife, my father-in-law, we're all gonna go out to the woods today. I got a tree I picked out, and we're gonna build a ladder stand and bring you along. So check this out. Hope you enjoy the video. Hope it inspires you to get out there, build some spots to be able to hunt, and enjoy the day. So we got our wood, all pressure treated 16-foot lumber. We have a 1/2-inch piece of plywood for the top, for the flooring. Tools of the trade to do a Honda generator, little gas powered, post hole digger, axe. These are just some of the things that you want going out into the woods. All right, we are headed out to the property to say good morning. My hand's all screwed up. Build a stand. The crappiest part is going to be getting all this lumber back to where we're working. But once we do, it'll be worth it. We're going to do probably once the ladder sinks into the ground a little bit, a 14-foot stand. It'll have a guardrail on it and all that good stuff. It's a little extra work. It's about the same in cost. And I had a piece of plywood that's in good shape. So this entire build is going to cost me about $190 out the door. This thing's going to last in the woods as long as I'm out on this property, I would think. So let's see. $90 and $18, $107, $108, $90, $18, $108. That's what I said. All right.
That's what he said. No, he said 108. I heard it.
108. Oh, the camera's going. Crap. Tim the Toolman Taylor here. Bob Vila with a stab. Can you imagine the Egyptians at like stone 1,000,004? The pressure that must have been on that guy. If you do this wrong, everything, your family will be cursed. So when we do this, Mel,
yeah,
you're gonna have to give me some slack on that rope, right?
Yeah. But not yet.
Right, not yet. At this part of the build, it's all about stability. So we put two 45-degree support beams on the outside of the build to make sure it's really secure to the tree. And then we do a ratchet strap around the trunk into eye bolts that are positioned in the actual platform. Guardrails go around the left and right side and around the back just to help people feel secure. We usually use these types of stands for family sits. It's a buddy stand. The platform's 5 foot wide, so having two people in this stand in a secure manner will be fine. All in all, this build took us about 5 hours from start to finish. It would have been an all-day thing without my father-in-law. So a big shout out and thank you to Mel and Tom for coming and helping us do this project.